Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your TikTok too many login attempts. So if you're facing this problem, then whenever you're trying to log in into a TikTok, it's not gonna allow you to log in into a TikTok saying too many attempts. Now this means like if you try to log in into a TikTok account more than 10 or like more than 5 times in a day. So let's say more than 10 times in a day, then it's going to show you this. And why TikTok doesn't allow that is TikTok might think like somebody's hacking on your account. So for security reason, TikTok is not going to allow you to log in into your account. But let's say you haven't tried logging into a TikTok account more than 10 times in a day and you're still facing the problem, then there are some things you can do in order to fix it. But before I show you the way on fixing it, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. Let's move forward. First step is make sure to update your TikTok, because sometimes literally just updating your TikTok is gonna fix your problem. So you can go on your app store, search for TikTok. If it shows update over here, you can click on update, but mine says open, which means my TikTok is up to date. So update your TikTok, and even after updating your TikTok it didn't fix it, then what you can do is download a VPN and connect to any other country. All right, so I use this VPN called VPN Super Unlimited, and you can connect to whichever country you want and then try to log in into a TikTok account. It should be fixed. And even after using a VPN and connecting a different country and trying to log in into your account, if it still says this, then what you can do is delete your TikTok account, reinstall it again. Now most of the people's this too many login attempt problem got fixed when they deleted their TikTok, reinstalled it. So try to do that and it should be fixed. If it still doesn't, just like shut down your mobile. By that I mean switch off your mobile and turn it on again. It should be working. If it's still not, then what you can do is wait for 24 hours. So TikTok just like disables your login process for 24 hours, but after 24 hours it should be working again. All right, so yeah, that's how you guys can fix your too many login attempts. Now if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.